Hello students. In our previous video, we learned about some basic concepts of coordinate geometry. And we asked you, can you plot the points if their coordinates are given? Well, let's see it today. Students, now we know what is coordinate plane. Coordinates an ordered pair of a given point. So now let us quickly refresh our knowledge of plotting points in the given plane. Let us take points A, B, C, D and E with given coordinates, that is their locations, as A -4, 3, B 5, -2, C -4, -3 and D as -5, 0 and E as 0, 2. Now let us plot them one by one. First, look at the coordinates of point A. They are -4 and 3. As we know, first coordinate is always of x-axis. So draw a perpendicular line from -4 on x-axis. Students, take care that this line should be parallel to y-axis and should travel upwards, as the second coordinate is on positive portion of y-axis. If the second coordinate is negative, extend the line downwards instead of upwards. Now as we know, 3 is the y-coordinate. So locate 3 on y-axis and draw a similar perpendicular from y-axis parallel to x-axis towards the earlier drawn perpendicular. Now point where both these lines intersect is our required point A. And we can say that this point is located at coordinates -4, 3. Observe that it is located in second quadrant. Now let's take the second point, that is B, whose coordinates are 5 and -2. Just like point A, draw the perpendiculars from x coordinate, that is 5, and y coordinate, that is -2. And observe the point where they intersect each other. Mark this point, and this location of intersection is our point B. As you can see, it is located in the fourth quadrant. Now students, try plotting point C by yourself. Can you tell me in which quadrant it is? Yes, you are right. It is in third quadrant and its coordinates are -4, -3. Now students, can you tell me the coordinates of point D? Yes, you are right. It is -5, 0. Observe carefully that D is located on x-axis itself. Now why this is so? It is because its y-coordinate is 0. We can say that for y-axis, it is located at origin and on x-axis at the number -5. Now student, if I give you a task to find the coordinate of a reflection of this point on x-axis, can you find out? Students, reflection means point will be formed on the other side of the given axis. So here, the point is on x-axis. So consider y-axis as a mirror and look for its reflection on the other side of the y-axis, that is, on the positive region of x-axis. In short, just flip the side on the given axis. So here, if we flip the position of point D on the other side on x-axis, considering y as a mirror, we get point D's location as 5, 0. That is, it is at 5 units on x-axis. Similarly, if point E has a location 0, 2, can you find out which axis it will be on? Yes, it will be on y-axis at 2 units. as its x-coordinate is 0. Can you guess the coordinates of its reflection on y-axis? Yes, here consider x-axis as mirror and just flip the side of point E from positive region of y-axis to the negative region on the y-axis. And we get the coordinates of reflection point as 0, -2. So remember students, that points can be located in any of the quadrants, that is quadrant 1, 2, 3 or 4. They can also be located on x-axis and y-axis. If the x-coordinate of a point is 0, then the point will be on y-axis, and if y-coordinate is 0, the point will be on x-axis. Students, also remember that x-coordinate of any point is called as abscissa of that point, while y-coordinate of that point is known as ordinate of that point. Say for example, our point A has coordinates -4, 3. We say that its x-coordinate or its abscissa is -4 and its y-coordinate or its ordinate is 3. Now as an exercise, students, write down the abscissa and ordinates of all the points that we have plotted. In our next video, we will learn about a new formula called distance formula. This formula is used to calculate distance between two points in a Cartesian plane.